guys, welcome back. This is Day Video Photography, and this series will be new to my channel. It will be focusing on photography accessories. In this part I'm going to talk about this camera bag which was sent by K&F CONCEPT. I was looking for an affordable camera bag to carry all of my photography accessories as well as my new foldable camera drone. I've been using this bag for the last couple of weeks, and for the first time I've noticed how lightweight is this actually. I was worried if it will not protect all of my gear as it's so light and small, but let me prove you it wasn't actually the case. I took this bag with me on my recent holidays and I used it every day, from hiking in the mountains to enjoying the sun on the beach, and it has never let me down. As soon as you undo the zips, you will notice how high quality they made them. It makes it so much easier to open or close the pockets even with wet or cold hands. On the bottom we have this hard wearing material which will protect your gear if you leave your bag on, for example, wet surfaces or rocks. Also there is an extra strap to clip anything to it, just like this mug. Being able to carry a tripod on its side rather than the bottom part is a great thing, and it is very easy to mount it. I have a larger tripod and it fits perfectly. The ergonomic design and a padded back support will make sure it stays comfortable even on a long walk. There is a zip on the front for a hidden pocket, and when you open the front main pocket, this is where you can store your laptop or tablet. If we flip the bag over, we can unzip the main component and get access to our camera or other gear. Unfortunately, there is no side pockets to access, however, this might be just better for safety reasons. There are many of these Velcro separators for the easy customization. I was very surprised how much of my gear can fit into this small bag. To sum up all my experiences with this backpack, I would firstly mention how comfortable it is. You can have the best looking bag if it doesn't feel alright to wear it. Also, to be able to use as an everyday bag, not just for your camera gear, is a bonus. If you want to pick this up, I will leave a link in the description for you to check out the price and buy it on Amazon. Please stay tuned to see more reviews just like this. I hope this video helped. To support my channel, please consider to subscribe and hit the like. Thanks for watching. See you in my next videos. Bye.